Hey guys, welcome to day 3 of 7 days of DIY, where each day this week at 8 p.m. we are dropping a new video of an oily gift that you can make for your friends and family. So today we are going to make a cuticle cream. Now, years ago someone gave me the Burt's Bees Lemon Butter Cuticle Cream and I fell in love with it, so this is a dupe on that. So if you purchase it, they're about $5.89, so it's tax around $6.20. So all of these materials are going to cost you about $22. So if you made 4 of them, it would justify your cost. However, if you make 12 of them, because that's how much all of the ingredients are for, it's only $1.84 a piece. Super affordable, fun Christmas gift. So you're gonna wanna get these little tins, and I'm gonna have all of the links to everything I purchased in the ebook at the end of the week. But these are little ½ ounce tins. The ones I linked are actually gold because I think they're cuter, but you can certainly get silver. And I have these awesome printables. I have 2 different stickers. I'm gonna just go ahead and choose one first. And that's what you wanna do first. You wanna make sure that your lid is nice and clean. You're gonna put your sticker on because you don't wanna get any oil on that. So it's easier just to do this first, okay? So you're gonna go ahead and put your sticker on. Next up, you're gonna need beeswax, shea butter, and then some fractionated coconut oil. Optionally, you can use some vitamin E oil, which the vitamin E oil I also used in day 1 on the shimmer spray. So if you get that, you'll be able to use it for both, okay? Now, before you say, okay, what else am I gonna use beeswax and shea butter for? Now, you can also use this cuticle cream as a lip balm, okay? If you increase the fractionated coconut oil by a little bit, you can make lip balm instead. You can make it any essential oil that you like. I'm gonna do lemon because I wanna be a dupe for the Burt's Bees, but another great option for cuticles is lavender and myrrh mixed together. And I like to be a little heavy-handed on my oils because I like the scent. So let's go ahead, we're just gonna make one little vial of this. So first things first, you're gonna take 2 teaspoons of the beeswax, and you can see these are like little pellets. These are yellow, which if you wanted to purchase white ones to, you know, if you didn't want the yellow color, you could certainly do that. So 2 teaspoons of the beeswax, and then 2 teaspoons of the African shea butter. Now, I just want to let you know, this is actually my second thing of this, so I do use this often. Another recipe I use this for, I'm not sure how many of you guys took me up on it, but when I did the beauty series back in the spring, I use this for my beauty balm, and it's luxurious. If you haven't made it, another reason to buy shea butter. So shea butter is super moisturizing. I love it. It's awesome also for like lotion bars, body butters. I'm a big DIYer, so I use it a lot. Okay, the next thing you want to do is put a ½ teaspoon of fractionated coconut oil. Again, you can use jojoba oil, you can use almond oil, but I figured all of you guys have fractionated coconut oil. If you're gonna make a lip balm, all you need to do is instead of a ½ teaspoon, add 1 teaspoon. And then this is totally optional, but because I have it, I'm gonna do 5 drops of the vitamin E. And I like to do this on stovetop with a glass dish and then just set it in boiling water. Ta-da, it's already done. And then I like to go ahead and add my oils. I'm gonna add 20 drops of lemon. Okay, I know that's a little heavy-handed, but I really like it to be super scented. Stir it up in there. And then pour it in your little tin. And there you go. We will just set this down, let it harden up, and then all you're gonna do is you just rub it right on your cuticles. It is super moisturizing, especially in the wintertime. You can also put it on like cracked elbows or dry patches. It's awesome for that. And again, you can also make it into a lip balm. You can use this as a lip balm if you want, but if you wanna add a little bit more fractionated coconut oil, it'll be a little bit softer. So I hope you enjoyed this DIY. Again, all the recipes, all the links for all the products will be available at the ebook that I will have at the end of the week. Thank you, and stay tuned for day 4.